love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always
Namaste Friends. So today is in the entire Python chapter, it is lesson 63. And in NumPy, this is lesson 22. So in the previous lecture, we saw about the Poisson distribution, and we saw why the Poisson distribution is very important. It is a discrete. The Poisson distribution is basically predicting the probability. It's like a probabilistic science. So we actually said why it is so important. And this random dot, normal for normal distribution, uniform for uniform distribution, Poisson for Poisson distribution, dot binomial for binomial distribution. So we actually kind of saw that. And we saw that the Poisson distribution has only two parameters as compared to the normal distribution, the binomial distribution. So today in the same family, we are going to be seeing something called as a uniform distribution. I'm pretty sure it is going to be like the same, random dot uniform for the uniform distribution. The uniform distribution is also, it is used to describe a probability where every event has an equal chances of occurring. Or how do I actually say this? When you flip a coin, you have an equal chance as 50% chance of heads, 50% chance of tails. That is not necessary for a war. Okay, we just pray that the war does not happen, because war is not like something has a equal chances. Okay, something of this thing, nor an accident. So something of this nature is actually called as an uniform distribution. All right. So that is the uniform distribution. So the uniform distribution, just like the normal distribution, the binomial distribution, it follows under the same family of three parameters. So it is a lower outbound, B an upper outbound, and size is the shape of the return array. It's like the calculus, like this thing, 0 minus infinity to plus infinity. So here the lower bound to the upper bound, so 0 to 1, because everything is like a matter of everything is under the one variable, and the size of the return array. All right, so this is the uniform distribution. Having said that, let's actually take this and let's actually run. We have three things here, right? So if you actually see, these two things are the same. From NumPy import random, and we saw this random dot normal, random dot binomial, random dot Poisson, and we saw this. So here there is a size, there is a lower bound, there is an upper bound, 0 to 1. We actually say now it is a uniform distribution, and we actually print x. So when we actually run this, we get the size 2 of 3. So this is 1 and 2, and this is 3. Okay, so this is a size 2 of 3. All right. Now when you want to visualize this uniform distribution, again, as I always say, you can by heart the first three: random, matplot, seaborn. And the distribution seaborn dot distribution, when you say the uniform size of 1000, here we say the histogram is false because we don't want the histogram, and we say show this. So the random dot normal is normal distribution, binomial is binomial distribution, Poisson is Poisson distribution, this uniform is uniform distribution. So when I say plot show, it is going to show me the uniform distribution. So this is a uniform distribution. Again, from the 0 to 1, everything is under that range, and the uniform chances of occurring. All right. So this is all about the uniform distribution. So what did we learn? We learned the uniform distribution talks about the equal chances of occurring, like flipping a coin, which is the equal chances of heads or equal chances of tails. So it's a 50-50. Anyway, there is 50-50. That is what it is. And the other thing is the random dot uniform. Okay, so the random dot normal, random dot binomial, random dot uniform, random dot Poisson. And we saw that the uniform distribution has three parameters. All right, so this is a uniform distribution. I trust you have actually enjoyed my lecture. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. I'll actually try to help you to the best of my abilities. Like always, I would like to thank two persons. One is you for giving me your golden time, and the other is my wife Jayashi for allowing me to follow my passion. Till we see next time, take care, cheers, and thank you.